Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Nimble CRM to LinkedIn Sales Navigator leads, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Nimble CRM to LinkedIn Sales Navigator leads, start by logging into your Nimble account. Next, open a new browser tab and log into your LinkedIn account. Once logged into LinkedIn, navigate to your Sales Navigator dashboard. On your Sales Navigator homepage, locate the lead you wish to sync with Nimble. Click on the lead to access their profile information. Look for the option to export or save the lead details. Now, head back to your Nimble account. In Nimble, find the Contacts tab on the main navigation bar. Click on that Add button to create a new contact manually. Switch back to the Sales Navigator lead profile and copy the necessary details including the name, title, company, and email address. Paste the copied details into the respective fields in Nimble. If your lead has social media profiles, add their links in the relevant section. Once all details are filled out, click the Save button to add the contact to Nimble. Repeat this process for any additional leads from Sales Navigator you wish to connect. For a more efficient connection, consider using Nimble's integration features. Go to the Settings section in Nimble and look for integrations. Check if there are any available integrations for LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Follow the prompts to enable and authenticate the integration. This will streamline the process of adding and managing leads directly from LinkedIn. After enabling the integration, return to LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You should now see options for syncing leads directly into Nimble. Select the leads you want to sync with Nimble. Then, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the synchronization process. After the sync is complete, head back to your Nimble dashboard. You can now view and manage your LinkedIn leads within Nimble CRM. Leverage Nimble's tools to track interactions and nurture your leads effectively. Congratulations! You've successfully connected Nimble CRM to LinkedIn Sales Navigator leads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.